Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create the trending her eyes video in CapCut. So here, I've already opened the CapCut apps and you can just head to the templates and here click on the top. And you can see now on the trending in here, you can see number 5, her eyes videos is now currently trending, and you can click on this, or you can also search manually at the top her eyes, this one. So these are the result, and as you know, this templates is based on the Bruno Mars Just the Way You Are song. So I'm going to mute the audio because I don't want to get copyrighted, but that's the song, and you can just select one of the templates, click on the use template, and just add a photo. Here I'm going to add this photos right here. Now click on next, and here you can adjust the position of the photo one by one. Click on crop and adjust it to the position of the eyes. You can also zoom it in like this. Click on the check icon. So after you done cropping and adjusting the position, this will be the result. And you can see on the video there is lyrics to the Bruno Mars songs. After that, you can just click on export, and the her eyes trend video will be saved, and you can just upload it to your TikTok account. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.